80% of your child's brain is developed by age 3. That's why Teaching Strategies created ParentPal, an all-in-one personal parenting coach designed in partnership with the founders of Baby Einstein. ParentPal provides tools and a daily roadmap to take the guesswork out of parenting and help you ensure your child thrives cognitively, socially, emotionally, and physically. Daily plans provide age-specific activities and routines appropriate for your child, drawing from a library of over 3,200 research-based activities. An optional section provides a comprehensive turnkey curriculum for parents or caregivers wanting to do more. Milestone tracking identifies key developmental milestones each month with easy-to-follow guidance. A health and growth section records height, weight, symptoms, vaccines, and doctor visits. Sleep tracking measures sleep and plays music that restarts automatically if your child awakens and cries. Our award-winning music selection exposes kids to the best elements of music, syntax, tempo, and rhythm without annoying, repetitive songs that get stuck in mom and dad's head. Daily events are displayed in the diary, and you can connect your whole caregiving team to ensure consistency in the daily plan and tracking regardless of who's watching your child. Insights and trends give a clear picture of your child's progress, while memory books allow you to capture and share your child's progress in photos and videos. ParentPal replaces the frantic worry about what to do next with confident parenting and thriving children.